Ferguson. Good morning. Kamusta kayo? It is now, what's the time? 10:39 in the morning. These two are still getting along. What's wrong? What's wrong, Cloud? Don't cuddles, don't you? Kahilig sa cuddles nitong batang to. Play with Kuya. Where's your brother? Yeah. Play with him. What's wrong, Ghost? You want to play? What is wrong? Good boy, Ghosty. Good boy. Mga tissue natin inihian po ni Cloud. Ano? Hi, my love. Hello there, handsome. Hello, handsome. Hello. Hello, my love. You need a... Oh! He went under the couch. Uh-oh. He wants to play with you, Gusty? Tabi natin to dito. No, no biting of slippers. Ouch! Ang sakit ng mga gat nito agad. Nung si Ghost, ang puppy, hindi siya ganyan mga gat. Ito ang grabe. Ow! Grabe maganggat. Cloud, no. Okay, i-set up natin ang camera dito at nang makita natin silang naglalaro.
Sit. Cloud. Sit.
Good boy.
Sit.
Teach him to sit. Don't just leave it to him.
Cloud, sit. Cloud. Guys, no. Guys, over here.
Push that.
Cloud, yeah. Go, stop it.
Go sit. Sit, Baba. Gusty. Gusty.
Cloud, sit. 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 Sit.
Almost there. Good boy.
Good sit. Good sit.
Good sit. Gusty. We are back. It's getting kind of rowdy in here. Gus wants to play with his Mike Wazowski. And the other one is just chilling with Daddy. Look at you two. Look at this one. Look at this one. Look at my papa. Look at my papa, this one. This one, my papa.
Let's go, puppy. Kiss. Good boy. Kiss.
Bye.
Kiss. Look at my belly.
And then let me put you here. This is how the afternoon is going. Jose just finished his job, morning job, and he is going back to work later tonight. And a different job, play. Kiss me, kiss. Kiss me, kiss. Kiss me, kiss.
You got fleas, mate.
I think Ghost got them too when we went there. It was stretching.
You slept all by yourself, and then you woke up and came wake me up. I don't know if I woke up from you or from Ghost.
When?
When you poo.
Give it to me.
And he was biting my ear.
Yeah, you chopped him out.
He bit my ear.
Sit. Catch. Oh. Give me. Good boy. Let go. Let go. That one bites harder than this one. Sit. Catch.
Oh, you fucked up. He climbed back up. He likes being on my chest.
What's wrong with this one? Just watching him look.
Do you think the breeder's first time someone's ever brought their dog back to him to say hi?
Probably, because this is like he really wanted to say hi to Ghost. He's like, you act like your mother. You like your mommy. You like your mommy. But he acts like the dad, like asking for cuddles like that and loving. Fetch. What happened? Uh-oh. Daddy got ya.
Hey, you think your brother's the only one that gets cuddles? You think your brother's the only one that gets cuddles? Huh? Kiss. Kiss. Guys, give me a kiss. Good boy. Good boy.
He was sleeping on me earlier. We were feeding him.
Why are you so psycho? Why are you so psycho?
Don't hurt my baby.
He's not hurt, he's just a sook.
Look at this one. It's biting me.
Go away.
Where's the microplastic? No, you had cuddles. Do you want more? Are you playing with Ghosty?
Gimme!
Gimme more. Gimme.
She didn't jump high enough.
Feels like a little bit short.
Fat shit. He's not fat, but he's solid.
From all of the running up and down.
Even his dad's solid.
Zoomies. Zoomies. I know, I'm not letting him go. Look at you.
Oh my baby! Oh my baby! You didn't care?
No, he just wants to play. Gimme. Boy.
How come it's like the reaction to bite me? Am I that annoying?
He ate the biscuits that I softened up. He ate a lot.
I'm biting him.
Gimme to mommy. Okay, kiss. Kiss.
You got no meat on you, boy. You got no meat on you, boy. He looks like a little lion cub.
They think he's a chow chow.
He looks like a lion. Simba. Everything the light touches is your kingdom. Except that dark area. That's Campbelltown. You don't go to Claymore.
Why?
He's sticking his tongue at me.
Gimme, Papa, gimme.
His nose is so little like this. What's your phone?
I don't know. Ouch! You bit me! Go!
Where are you going?
Where'd he go? You dropped him again!
I just got my phone if you're getting up.
Where going?
You gonna eat anything?
You like your little Udi?
What was it? When I left?
No one doesn't understand what's happening. What's wrong, guys? Baby. It looks like good.
I bought mandarins, I bought you cinnamon donuts, baby. I got liver, I got chicken breast again. I got Lao sausage and mince.
Baby. I didn't take photo of little cub. Hello, you little cub. Christy, be nice.
That's it. Kiss. Kiss. Kiss.
Kiss. Kiss, Baba, kiss. Christy, kiss, Baba. Is this it? Good boy.
Whatever.
Oh. Got a little fluff ball.
Guys, come. Good boy. Okay, sit down. Lay down, look at me. I'm taking photo shoot. Good boy, stay there. Bring your brother here. Stay.
Sit. Sit, good boy. Don't attack Ghosty. Not happen. You didn't need to sit.
You're a good boy, come here.
Do you want me to come wave you? You want me to come wave you?
It's a good boy, look at you.
Always a good boy. Always a good boy, that one. What are you doing? You're chewing again. You're chewing again. You're chewing something again. Look at you, Mama. You're chewing something again. Huh? You're chewing something again. Huh? Look at you. Look at you. Okay, what's that playing with him?
Let me check this one. Give me. Give me. Good boy.
Ouch! Your bite hurts.
He's good, he's good.